With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, in this question, an object is at a distance of 25 cm in front of a plane mirror. The mirror is shifted 5 cm away from the object. Find the new distance between the object and its image. And the part 2 of this question is the distance between the two positions of the image. So let's suppose this is the mirror. This is the plane mirror. And this plane mirror, and the object is kept at, let's suppose this is the object. And this object is kept at 25 cm. This is object, and the object distance, this is the distance of the object from the plane mirror. This is given in the question. It is 25 cm. So it is the plane mirror. So the image will be formed, virtual image will be formed 25 cm behind the mirror. Means let's suppose this is the image. It is virtual image, that's why we are showing it with dotted lines. Now this is the image, and the distance of the image from the mirror is 25 cm. As the plane mirror forms image, object distance and image distance are equal in case of plane mirror. So this is the image. Now the question says that the mirror is shifted 5 cm away from the object. Now this mirror is shifted 5 cm away from the object. This is the new position of the object. Sorry, this is the new position of the mirror. And this is shifted 5 cm away from the object. That this is 5 cm. And the object is same here. Object is kept here. So this is the object. Now earlier it was 25. This distance was 25. So the new distance of the object from the plane mirror, 25 plus 5, that is total distance is 30 cm. This total distance is 30 cm. That is 25 plus 5. Sorry, this is plus 5. That is 30 cm. So the image will be formed 30 cm behind the mirror. So let's suppose this is the image. So this image is 30 cm behind the mirror. This distance is 30 cm. Now earlier this object distance is same. So this distance is, now the first part of this question, find the new distance between the object and its image. So the new distance between object and its image, part 1 of this question is new distance. So this is 30 plus 30, that is 60 cm. So new distance between object and its image. So this is 30 cm plus 30 cm, that is 30 plus 30, that is 30 plus 30 equal to 60 cm. Now part 2 of this question. In the part 2 we have to find the distance between the two positions of the image. We have to find this distance. Here this is the initial position of image, that means image 1, and this is image 2. So we have to find this distance, the distance between the position of image. Now here earlier it was given this distance was 50 cm. Total distance initially this distance was 50 cm. 25 plus 25, this was 50. And the new position of image, this was 60 cm. So the position, this distance, let's suppose this is d distance. So 50 plus d is equal to 60 cm. So for part 2 we can write this distance is 50 plus d distance is equal to 60. So 50 plus d distance is equal to 60 centimeter. here d is equal to 60 minus 50, that is 10 centimeter. So the distance between the two position of image is 10 centimeter. Distance between the two position of image, is 10 centimeter. So this is our answer. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.